we're just about ready to kick off our orientation for our Rose Parade rally, where we will attend the world famous Rose Parade, great seats on Colorado Boulevard with the sun to your back. We'll also have a tour of the Huntington Gardens. We're gonna help put a float together. We'll build a float. We're gonna go to Equestfest. We're gonna go to Bandfest, and we're gonna start right now.
We're the kids and ambassadors for Fantasy RV Tours, and we're at the 7-day Pasadena Rose Parade rally. And we are registering our guests as they come into the park. And what we do is we get them to sign our release forms, and we then show them all the stuff that they have to look forward to. We give them an itinerary, we give them a gift bag, name tags, and we take photos. And we just make them feel as welcome as we can.
So after they come in from a long trip, some people have come from all across the country. And after they get here, we show them where to park, we assign them to the sites, let them rest, and let them know that here at registration, we're here to help them. We're here to give them any information they may need and anything to help them have as much fun as possible.
It is the first day of Rose Parade, and we are at our welcome dinner at the world famous Cocoa Palms restaurant. We have an incredible view and a private banquet room just for our guests. It's day 2 of Fantasy RV Tours Rose Parade, and today we're at Equefest, so we get to see all the performing horses in the parade up close. And we even get to mingle behind in the stalls and talk with the people who ride the horses just before it all happens.
This is the first time that we are at the Rose Parade, and it's really fun today because we're getting to decorate floats. And this process is stripping the roses of their leaves, cutting it 2.5 inches below the bud, and then our workers here place them in vials. I mean, what an incredible gift. They told us to do just a self-guided tour to see the flowers and the floats. I've seen these on TV so many times. It's just so beautiful to see the flowers in person and to get close to the floats and to see the design and to see it come together. It's incredible.
Day 3 of our Rose Parade, and we're at Pasadena City College for Bandfest. We're gonna see some of the best bands in the Rose Parade today, up close and personal. Hi, we're at day 4 of the Rose Parade Rally, and today we're at the Huntington Library and Gardens, home to a Gutenberg Bible and the original Blue Boy painting. Today we're standing appropriately in the Rose Garden. Fantasy RV Tours event tent for our private New Year's Eve party. In just a few minutes, we'll be counting down to 2025. It's 5:30 in the morning on parade day, and like usual, Fantasy RV Tours gets the best, closest, upfront parking for our guests. We're here with just a few thousand other people.
We are at the Float Fest, which is where they allow people that have attended the Rose Bowl Parade to come and look at the floats up close and personal. And this is one of the floats that we all worked on. So we are here looking at the floats, smelling the wonderful fresh flowers and just enjoying the day.
Loving the Rose Bowl Parade. It has been a great experience. Sandy, one of our bucket list, we're full-time now, one of our bucket list items, hers was the Rose Bowl Parade.
Yeah, I wanted to work on a float. I wanted to see all the flowers and the floats being made. So I got to fulfill that wish.
And what really made it work so well is the folks that worked the Rose Bowl Parade for Fantasy got us to the right places. We were at the equestrian event. We were at the decorating event. We got to the Rose Bowl, had primo seats for the parade. So it has been a great experience, one we highly recommend.
It made everything so easy.
Today some ventured out to see sights while others took time to recover and catch up on laundry. And just like that, here we are at the farewell dinner.
On behalf of the founder of the company and the entire company, thank you all so much for traveling with Fantasy. Thank you.